Expand the versatility of your Leigh D-Series jig with the Leigh M2 Multiple Mortise and Tenon attachment. With the Leigh M2 Multiple Mortise and Tenon attachment, it's easy to create amazingly strong multiple mortise and tenon joints and jumble variably spaced finger joints. The M2's adjustable guide fingers let you route multiple mortise and tenon joints in virtually any layout you like, in stock up to 24 inches wide. The M2 brings this challenging joint within easy reach of any woodworker who owns a 24-inch Leigh D-Series dovetail jig. The Leigh M2 Multiple Mortise and Tenon attachment. For more information on these and other Leigh products, visit LeighTools.com. All Leigh products carry a full 5-year warranty. Leigh products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.